Hello and welcome to Library Salad. Today's episode is how to make a fairy and dragon garden, brought to you by the Monroeville Public Library in Pennsylvania. Hi, I'm Alice, still working on new signs, and that's right, we are going to attempt to make a fairy garden complete with a dragon. Actually, these type of gardens have been around for a little while. They used to be called miniature gardens. Back in about 1950s, they started them for people who may not have had a full backyard or weren't able to keep up a large-sized garden. So this way, they started to be made with actual real plants. We've sort of developed to the point where they can be both. They can have real plants and dirt in with them, or we can go with what you're about to see here. You don't have to do a full bowl like this. You can even take something from around the house and just add 1 or 2 touches and even make them seasonal. For instance, let's say you had a plant like this. You could simply put a couple of things down here, call it a day. Or continue on like we're going to do now. So what I simply did is, was looking for a clear bowl like this, got it at the thrift store. You may have some different types of bowls like this that maybe you don't use anymore. That works out well. I've even seen them, instead of a glass bowl, put on a wood plank. Basically, it's a garden charcuterie. I don't know. Haven't used the word charcuterie in a while, so I figured I would just...
It's been at least 2 weeks.
It's been at least 2 weeks. Anyway, and this way? Okay, fine. So,
Look, there you go. That's
okay, fine. So, even something for the base. It could be sand. As of this morning, I didn't know what base I was going to use, but right before meeting on Zoom, I asked if anybody had one in their office, and lo and behold, here we go. So I'm going to add on top of that. I had a choice. I was going to use this in general. Not the thing to choose. But what I decided was, because of the shape of the bowl, it really seemed to make more sense to use this as the base. This was going to be hard to level things out, but we may use them as ornamentation. You know, the library salad is young right now. We have a little bit of time. Moss is always good as a cover. This way things can give it a little leveling, but something like this you get at the craft stores. And may I say that this is the perfect time to do one of these, because the craft stores have put in all of their fall items, and that means all their summer stuff is either 70% off or buy one, get 2 free at some of these stores. So if you're looking to do one, this is when you can really get top stuff for dirt cheap. What are we going to add to this? Good question. I also decided I didn't want to spend a lot, see what I could get wherever I could get it. So the other day I was at a thrift store. Rich happened to come with me for a quick stop, and I said to him, while I'm looking at the stuff, I said, can you see if you can find any things that could go into a fairy garden? And lo and behold, he did. This was actually on a little base stand. So he cut that off, and we're going to use this. Now, because this is a little bit unlevel, that's where the whole foundation of these little things, the pebbles come in. So we're going to start with, let's go with putting, it's hard to do, I'm doing this almost backwards for myself, but so let's go this way. Okay, so we're going to set this in like this. And what I did was, these are simply twigs from outside. The breaking went much easier last time before, a couple of minutes ago. You get the gist. It was longer, but it's like this. So this way, she's over here making a nice dinner. Where is she going to sit at the dinner? Where should she have dinner? This I borrowed from my daughter-in-law, because simply it's a coaster, okay? But this makes a nice area for dinner. And look at this. We've got this. This was at the craft store, 70% off. You can use this for a couple of things. Like this, okay. And then, let's see, safety first, people. Safety first. Let's see something happening. She's cooking, has to get out quick. Where is she gonna go? This is where the ladder comes in. Okay, we'll just put the ladder over here. That's where, okay, we got like that. Now, let's say she decides, oh, I'm tired of this. You should see Rich's face right now. Okay, let's say she says, okay, fine. So this can't get the fire started, okay? His face is getting better. I'm gonna order pizza. How is the pizza guy making a delivery, right? This can be then put down on the side. The pizza guy comes, okay, delivers the pizza, okay, up to here. It's Sicilian pizza. I thought, what was I gonna do with this? It's got so many things. It's safety, it's for delivery, a little bit of both. And then most of the gardens, you like to see a little bit of lush things. This is easy, just to put right in. It was $1.99, 70% off. How could I not? Hopefully this is looking okay over there.
We'll get a full shot at the end.
We'll get a full shot at the end. See what's still staying up. Okay, even more.
It's more about the story apparently now.
Is it? Okay, and then this one also dirt cheap. Got that. This way you've got like this nice little area.
Shade area.
Little shade area. You're eating, it's hot, this is gone, you know, who knows. And then we can't even take to twist off. I thought it was a pop off. Okay, and then some of these can be used decorative. If you have a larger area, look at this, that's a nice one. If you have a larger area, you
nice
could
stepping stones.
Nice stepping stones. You could actually make a pathway through this. Even I have a second one, not gonna fit, but even if you did, you could bring this up a little, make it a 2-tier. You pay more for these.
Front porch for the pizza guy.
A front porch for the pizza guy. This way, you know, delivery. That doesn't really look like it. We're gonna pretend. Okay. Oh, this is the. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Doorbell's over here, and then I had gotten these. All right, they looked really cute. They were on one of these little, you know, we rounded. It didn't look like that much. So I'm like, oh, that's cute. But like when I took it out, I had a lot more than I thought. It's rare you buy something and you go, oh wait, that's too much. I don't need that much, but here we are. So anyway, for like a little party atmosphere, hopefully like this is gonna seep in there. Then we've got this one over here. That's not bad. And then this can wrap around like this. It was wrapping before. Okay, this way. Again, decorate. Let's say it's someone's birthday. Let's say that's why everything was happening over here. We don't know. No, we don't. So, and this could be cut. You can just cut that. Oh, just cut this. What am I? Yeah, seriously. Okay, so we go like this. All right. And then what else do we need? I said we were doing a fairy and dragon garden. Here we go. Look how cute he is. These come in different sizes. One was very big and a little bit more too much on the angry face. So I thought the little one would fit and be a lot nicer for this whole environment. So he can go here. He's waiting for dinner.
You can light the fire too.
This is why we have you here. Not just for the fun. No, not just for
I really thought that was part of the plot.
No, it is now, but that's a great idea. He's there. He lights the fire. This looks like our hair's already gone on fire, but safety first, they can get out. So they've got a place to eat. They've got the cooking place, front steps, and that's it. See how easy that was? Very cheap to make. You can just design your own. Hope that works for you, and thanks for joining us.